Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to delete all of your TikTok posts. So let's start. First open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Before moving forward, let me tell you that you cannot delete all of your posts at once. You have to do it individually. Now let me show you how you can delete your post. First of all, tap on a post. Now tap on three dots on right hand side and then tap on delete. Now tap confirm. And that's how you can delete your post from TikTok. And if you want to delete all of your posts, then I would suggest you to straight up delete your account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.